If you keep putting off tiny tasks, dishes, laundry, emails, even though they take 2 minutes, you're not alone. This is one of the most universal daily problems. People delay small tasks not because they're hard, but because your brain doesn't see them as urgent. Today, I'll show you why this happens and the simple system that makes tiny tasks effortless. Your brain has two modes: urgent mode, do it now, and later mode, it can wait. Tiny tasks fall into later mode because they don't feel important. You tell yourself, I'll do it later, but later never comes. This is called micro-avoidance, avoiding tasks that are small, boring, or interrupt your flow. It's not laziness, it's a mental friction problem. And there are 3 specific triggers behind it. First, task switching friction. Your brain hates stopping what you're doing to do something unrelated, even if it's tiny. Second, low reward. Dishes and emails don't give dopamine. Your brain prioritizes anything more stimulating. Third, invisible clutter. When a task is always there, like laundry, your brain stops seeing it. It becomes background noise. Fix these triggers and procrastination drops instantly. Here's the system that works for almost everyone. The 2-minute momentum rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. But here's the twist. You're not doing it to finish. You're doing it to build momentum, because once you start, your brain shifts into action mode. 1 dish, 1 email, 1 bill. These tiny wins create a chain reaction. Momentum beats motivation every time. Next, use the microzone method to make it automatic. Start by creating designated zones for quick resets. A dish zone, a mail zone, a laundry zone. When everything has a home, the effort required to start shrinks. Second, the 30-second reset. At the end of each activity, do a quick tidy of your immediate area. It prevents buildup. Finally, batch the boring stuff. Once a day, set a timer for 5 minutes and do a boring task sweep. Turn it into a game. Stop thinking of tiny tasks as chores. Think of them as micro wins, small actions that keep your life running smoothly. You don't need more motivation. You just need less friction. When you reduce friction and build momentum, procrastination disappears. Your day will feel lighter and your productivity will become effortless. Start your first 2-minute task right now.